The Proprietor's Cup is one of the extracurricular activities carried out by students of the St. Mary's International College in Modica to showcase the talent of the students across various disciplines. The activity, according to the proprietor of the school, is aimed at fostering teamwork, discipline, and a healthy competition among the students.
Well, we believe in holistic education. We believe that discipline that comes from sports will help every child become responsible in the future. We realize that sports is actually a motivating factor, and students want to play sports, so they want to behave well and study well also. I told them, I said, today is not the end. Today is just the beginning. So from tomorrow, we are starting a new page.
The final of the competition saw the presence of former Lions captain Rigobert Song, who was shocked at the campus structure and encouraged the students to be disciplined and, most importantly, good in their schoolwork.
First, I say to remercier the promoter. He is doing a lot of things here, and me too, I was surprised. He helped the young guys, and he want everybody to be in the top. And the game today, I was very happy because I see the good player. The young was joke too much, but he was serious, and he was a good game.
The exercise was an opportunity for parents to come watch the talents of their kids while cheering them in excitement.
Sport is good. It is good to do sport in school at the same time while studying. So blending the two goes together because sometimes we get children engaged in sport, some might succeed professionally, some might not succeed professionally, but they keep doing the sport but while studying.
Aminu is 12 years old, whose style and tactics won the admiration of Rigobert Song. He notes that football has taught him a lot, and even though not the final winners, his team will do better next time.
The balls I got, I controlled it very well, and I played, and we tried to win, but even though we not win, we still tried our best to prove ourselves in the tournament.
The students were recognized in all disciplines with trophies and medals as a sign of encouragement, but the true win was the experience that was gained. This competition was a time for parents to bond with their kids as they share happy memories together.